Right, so question number 12 part B. So question number 12 part B says, so it's a series question. So in that question they are giving us UR. UR is given as 1 over R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3, R plus 4. Then they are giving VR as 1 over R plus 1, R plus 2. Then they are saying us to get the difference between VR and VR plus 2. So I'll write VR plus 2 as well. R plus 2, R plus 3, R plus 4. So I just replace R with R plus 2. So then they are asking VR minus VR plus 2. That is R plus 1, R plus 2 minus R plus 2, R plus 3, R plus 4. So here I will get R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3, R plus 4. So this so here this part, so now R plus 2 is the common one, so we will get R plus 3, R plus 4 here minus R plus 1. Right now? So here then we will get for R square, so 4R, 3R is going to be 7R plus 12 minus R square minus R. Then you will get R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3, R plus 4. So I can cut these off. Then I am left with 7R minus R is 6R, 6R plus 12. That is, I can take 6 out, so R plus 2. R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3, R plus 2. So here I am going to cut this off. So then I will be left with 6 into 1 over R plus 1, R plus 3, R plus 4. This is 6 times UR. So this is what they are asking us to show. So then they are saying, did you hence show that the addition, so the addition of UR is the given statement, right? So now what we know is that 6UR is equal to VR minus VR plus 2. So I need to get the addition of this, so I am going to take R1. 6U1 is equal to V1 minus V3. R equals to 6U2 is equal to V2 minus V4. R equals 3, 6U3 is equal to V3 minus V5 equals 4, 6U4 equals V4 minus V6. It goes like that. R equals n minus 2, 6U n minus 2, V n minus 2, V n. Then R equals n minus 1, 6U n minus 1, V n minus 1, V n plus 1, 6UN Vn minus Vn plus 2. So what I need to do is I need to add these up, right? When I add these up, I can cut these off. So this will also get cut off somewhere from here. This also somewhere from here. I can cut this off, and this will also be cut from somewhere here. This will also be cut off from somewhere here. So then we will be left with, right? 6 times u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus u4 plus un minus 2 plus un minus 1 plus un equal to v1 plus v2 minus vn plus 1 minus vn plus 2. So that is 6 times r equals 1 to n ur is equal to v1. What is v1? We have to put 1 here. That is 1, 2, 3 plus what is v2? 2, 3, 4 minus vn plus 1. So we have to put n plus 1 here. N plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 minus n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4. Right, so if we simplify this, we will get the answer. So, yeah, so let's simplify this afterwards. Right, so then they are asking, this addition of ur. So from here you get 6 times r equals 1 to n ur equal to 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24 minus n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. So I am going to take all these up and n plus 4. So if I take all these up, I will have n plus 4 here plus n plus 1 here. Right, so this whole part is common. N plus 2, n plus 3 is common. The only uncommon ones are n plus 1 and n plus 4. So I have put this here. So then I'm going to take 24 as the common thing. 24, then this will become 6 times 4 is 24. So 4 plus 1 minus 2n plus 5. N plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4. Then you will get 5 times 24 minus 2n plus 5, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4. Is this the answer they are asking? No, there are 6 here. So I will eliminate this 6. So I am going to divide this 6. Then I will get 6 here, 106 here. So 24 into 6 is 144. Five times 144 minus 2n plus 5, 6, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4. So we got this. So what are they asking next? So then they are saying WR is equal to UR minus 1 and U2R. Okay. So I'm going to keep this. So I know that R equals 1 to N. UR is equal to 5, 144, 2n plus 5, 6, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4. So So these are the stuff that we have found already. So now there's a new thing as WR, which is 2R, WR is U2R minus 1 plus U2R. Right? So what you can do is you can do it in a similar way, right? You can take R equals 1. W1 is going to be 2 times 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 plus U2. R equals to W2 U, so 2 minus, so 4 minus 1 is 3, this is 4. W3 is going to be 5 plus U6. So it goes down, you will come to where R equals n minus 1. W n minus 1 will be U, so 2 n minus 1 minus 1, so 2n minus 2 minus 1, so this is going to be 2n minus 3. This will be U 2n minus 2. Then at R equals n, you will get Wn U 2n minus 1 plus U 2n. So what you need to do, you need to add these up, no? Right? So now what you all need to see is that all these are there. U1 is there, U2 is there, U3, U4, U5, U6. Then there's until U2n. Right? So it's simple as that. Right? There's nothing complex here at all. Right? So you just need, so now you have to see this pattern. If you all can get the pattern straight away, it's really good. But in this way, it's much more clear and you all will understand very clearly. So then, what will you all get? So you all will get you all add this up, you all will get W1 plus W2 plus W3 to Wn minus 1 Wn will be equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4 U5 U6, then U2n minus 3 U2n minus 2 plus U2n minus 1 plus U2n. So here you will get from R equals 1 to n, WR is equal to R equals 1 to 2n UR. So this is what we need to find. So now as we know what is R to n UR, we just need to substitute for n, we need to substitute 2n, and then you will get the answer. So now WR, so now we need to write WR. So what is WR? R equals 1 to n. WR is basically from R equals 1 to 2n. So what I need to do is I need to change this n into 2n. So if I put 2n here, 144, that doesn't change. 2 into, this will be 2n. This will not be n, this will be 2n. Plus 5, 6, 2n plus 1, then 2n plus 2, then again 2n plus 3, then again 2n plus 4. So that's all the difference. So afterwards, I take these 2 out in these 2. Then I'll get 5, 144 This is going to be 4n plus 5, 6, 2n plus 1. I'm going to take 2 out from here, so I'll have a multiplication here, n plus 1, 2n plus 3. I'll take 2 out from here, so I'll have another multiplication here, n plus 2. 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24. Uh, 24, 4n plus 5. Then I'll write this n plus 1, n plus 2, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 2. This is the answer they asked. So from here after, all the usual things are they are asking. So they are asking us to show that it's a show that it's conversion and its sum. So that it's you get this as 5 over 144, 4n plus 5, 24, n plus 1, n plus 2, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3. So they are asking about the infinite series, so I need to put the limit n goes to infinity, limit n goes to infinity. So here this will become r equals 1 to infinity wr. This constant will be anyway there, minus, you can take even 24 out, limit n goes to infinity. I'm going to take n out from here, 4 plus 5n. I'm going to take all the n's out, so n to the power 4, 1 plus 1 over n, 1 plus 2 over n, 2 plus 1 over n, 2 plus 3 over n. So now what happens is that when you put the limit, these will go to 0. And then you are left with limit n goes to infinity. So 1 over n cube into 4, 1 plus 1 into 1 into 2 into 2. But since this is 0, this whole part is 0. So the answer will be 5 over 144. So now this is finite. This is finite. And the sum is so finite, therefore convergent, and the sum is 5 over 144.